Racing just is started. We have glass cockpit. Break quickly or start. Moving apart the outside. Euromax, Brazilian baby. And on the outside is Stormy Norman, Smart and Novel comes next. My Pahoy Special. While Wind and Glory was left behind. Back to the leader. We have Euromax. Moving apart the outside is Stormy Norman. Down on the inside. Brazilian baby. Glass cockpit is down in port. Smart and Novel is racing in fifth. While My Paho Special now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Euromax by our head. There are the outside is Stormy Norman. Brazilian Babe is down in third. Glass cockpit, Smart and Novel and My Paho Special as they swing for home. We have Euromax this time by our length and a half. And on the outside is Stormy Norman. Last 75 meters we have Euromax followed by Stormy Norman and finally Euromax is Stormy Norman. Brazilian Babe close. Smart and Novel glass cockpit. Then comes My Paho Special.
Nandikit tayo sa kwarto.
Yes. Between